Here's Dexter trying to go potty. Oh, poor baby. Oh, it has been snowing all day, all night, and we've got probably, gosh, I think 7 inches now, maybe even more. I don't know if you can see the snow is still coming down. It's beautiful, but it is crazy. Let's see if I can show you how deep it is. Oh, almost covering my whole hand. That's on my car. It's crazy, but gorgeous. It's really pretty out here. It was very cute seeing Dexter out in the snow. It's going to be crazy the next couple days when it starts to freeze, though. Here's our house. Looks beautiful.